At the ship's beauty salon for a Gatsby makeover, Cowgirls Stack and Mel are in uncharted waters.
At home, I don't even brush it for a week.
We felt like we were very high maintenance going to the hairdressers for the party.
How often you have your hair done?
Not very.
It was kind of like a little bit weird. I've never been to a hairdresser to get my hair done, so that was the first time I ever done that. What kind of hairstyle are we going for here?
Okay, so because it's a Gatsby party, we're doing some flat iron curls for you.
And every time like she'd put the hair straightener in there, I thought she was burning all my hair. But apparently that's just half normal. But I don't really see how it could be.
I don't think the cattle are going to care what my hair looks like. You just got to pick your time and place. You're not going to go and get all your hair done for the sale yards. How much you going to trust me to put this shit on you?
Had paint on my face,
Yeah.
a bit of red lipstick. First time I ever worn lipstick in my life.
Yeah, me too.
Imagine people that do this every day. Too much time on their hands.
Correct. I think we're going to make fools out of ourselves.
Yeah.
Hopefully other people wearing what we're wearing because we just feel like big idiots.
Yeah. I'm struggling.